Hi guys, today we are going to show you 10 things that you should buy for your cruise at the Dollar Tree. The most fun way to get super cute door decorations for your door on a cruise ship is at Dollar Tree. Just attach earth magnets to the back because the door is metal and it sticks right on. While you're in Dollar Tree, grab a pack of thank you notes for your room steward, and it's a great way to add an extra tip. Here is another thing you should get. You should get at least 4 or 6 of these. These are magnetic hooks, and for those of you that don't know, the doors and the walls are metal underneath, and these are awesome for hanging towels, wet bathing suits, pretty much anything you need up off your floor since the rooms are so small.
Don't forget the travel size medicines, especially like cough drops, Tums, travel toothbrush. This is a pretty good toothbrushes, and they come with a cover and toothpaste.
Make sure and get a mesh laundry bag or a pop-up laundry bag that is also mesh, which is what we have, and that is great to use the whole time you are on your trip.
Different sizes is something here. So, yeah, sometimes I have the pop-up ones. I don't see them in this Dollar Tree, but some Dollar Trees do have it.
This is perfect.
Not for drugs, not for
carrying
pills.
your jewelry.
So, what kind of jewelry? Like rings?
Earrings, rings, anything. You know, any little small things that you have. Hair clips, you know, bobby
those
pins.
would work for smaller ones, right?
Yeah, but that would be real small. This one works a lot better.
Okay. And there's this one too.
Yeah, it's still very small. And ones on this one, the tops don't stay down. This one they do. Tablecloth clamps, but these are great for keeping your towel on your chair if it's windy.
Oh, like if you're at the beach on one of the excursions.
Or by the pool.
Or by the pool, yep. Something else we always take with us is Ziploc bags, which you can find anywhere, but they have them in Dollar Tree also. We try to take a couple of the gallon size, and we try to take a couple of the quart size. Here's a tip: go by Dollar Tree and get coffee cups to bring on your cruise. This Dollar Tree doesn't have it, but a lot of other Dollar Trees do. The different color highlighters, they're great if you're old school, because whenever you're on the ship they give you a daily itinerary, and what you can do is you can go through and highlight. I know a lot of that is on the phones now, we use that too, but sometimes if you like to just have the paper copy and highlight what you want to do on the itinerary during that day. And here's post-it notes. These are good. Those are different colors.
Yeah, those are fun.
Those are great to leave like notes for your room steward if you want something special done in the room,
or family members.
Or if you got family members, you want
family member.
Yeah, like Marcy said. So we always carry a small little thing of post-it notes with us. Little first aid kits come in handy, especially if you got kids.
A lot of times in Dollar Tree you will find these adorable little luggage tags. They're just cute to have on your luggage.
Something else to consider too is a sleep mask. And this one comes with the earplugs, so you don't have to buy the earplugs. Check that out.
Bag with the bath sponge and container for your astringent, shampoo, conditioner, whatever. It's super handy. Hey guys, don't forget your sunscreen. Dollar Tree has a pretty good 30 SPF sunblock. It's Max Block brand, and if you do forget it, you will be sorry, trust me.
Here's some drink mixes you should take. We've had a couple of these. A&W is pretty good. One Crush is good too. And we've taken these on the ship. You know, you can put them in with the water if you don't buy the drink package. They're not too bad at all. They're pretty decent.
So another great thing to get is these polarized sunglasses, and if you lose them on the boat or if they get scratched up, no problem. And these are actually super cute.
Oops. Oh, hold on.
These ones.
those plugs for everybody. Here's a set of 4, so you don't have to hear your spouse snore. All right, Marcy.
Exactly.
Folks, that was the things you should buy at Dollar Tree for your next cruise. Be sure to check out our next video that's about to pop up on the screen.
Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See ya.